Registered the 25th of March 2024 on a 24 plate with only 5,114 miles and presented in the desirable Billiard Grey. This one-owner 1923 FXLRST Low Rider ST is in superb condition throughout and comes with an impressive list of high-quality, dealer-fitted extras. This particular Low Rider ST has been tastefully upgraded with a top-level Harley-Davidson audio system, Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1 black exhaust, Saddlemen seat, powder-coated forward controls, passenger footpeg support kit, passenger pegs, rear mounting kit, and a full sissy bar setup including upright and padded backrest. It also features the Harley-Davidson LED tail tidy kit, chrome-heated grips, genuine HD docking hardware, USB charger kit, and a hardwire accessory adapter, making it a truly standout machine. Powered by the punchy 106 PS Milwaukee-Eight engine and compliant with Euro 5 emissions standards, the FXLRST offers that unmistakable Harley character, with plenty of touring ability thanks to the ST's fairing and panniers. This awesome example would leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.